Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sam9, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to make gaming videos with PowerDirector. I use PowerDirector to make all my channel videos because my channel is actually a gaming channel, so I just wanted to share with you guys how I make my gaming videos. So first of all, you click on new project and you see a pop-up like this, and this is so you have to name your video. Maybe let me use Sam 9. Okay, so then you come to aspect ratio and you click 16.9 because that's actually the most optimized form of aspect ratio for phones and mobile devices. So 16.9. then it brings out an interface like this. This is the PowerDirector interface. So first of all, if you have an intro for your video, you can add an intro. So I'm going to use my own intro. You click on this second icon here and you come to wherever your intro is located, and for this video I'm going to use my intro as an example. This is my intro. You can play by checking here. You can check out how it plays out by clicking on this menu. Okay, so that's my intro, and I made that with an app called Legend, so you can check the app out to make an intro video. So then you can also add text. I usually add text to my videos, all my videos, just to an introduction. So you can make your text be under the video or be after the video. So let's start by making it near the video. So we're gonna click on, first of all, make a background for the text. You can also use a picture as the background, but let's use a color board. That's just a plain sheet of, let's use white. So I want to make it behind. I want it to play after the intro, so you can drag it back by holding it, then it automatically comes to the back. So then you come to the shape, which I assume it's a square. So then you come to title, then click on default. There's also other types of text icons you can use, but most of them are premium because you have to pay before you can use them. So let's use like this. So you can also edit it. So let me write example. Let me write Sam presents. You see it's white, so it's not showing, so you can also change the font type and the color. So I'm going to change the font. See, there are lots of fonts, but some of them need to be downloaded first, so you can just click on this download bar here, download the fonts. So let me use this font sample. You can see it has different effects on the image. Then next thing you do is to add your video that you screen recorded. So you can use the screen recorder app to record your video, maybe a gameplay or whatever. So I think I have some recorded videos here I can use. Okay, I have a goal here for my last video on FTS. So this is an example of a video you can use. Okay, this okay. So also you want to add music to your video by coming to music. Click on the first icon here which displays multimedia, then you come to music, which is down here, and there are a lot of music songs you can use, but I recommend using no copyright sound music because the songs are free and no copyright free. So let's use this song called Savannah. So remember that your music also might be longer than your video. So you can also trim your music And please, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to keep on and check out my other videos on my channel, and you can leave a like if you like the video, and you can also leave your thoughts on the video in the comment section. So that's on the how to add music and how to add text and intro. So you can also add animations to your videos. For example, you can add a transition. So a lot of transition, but this app has some paid features, so you have to just check out the free ones to use. So one that does not have anything, like maybe let's say try on it means that it's free. So let's look for one that has no try on it, and this one, page 2. You can also increase the duration, maybe it should be low or it should be high. So I like making it long, so the effects will be well felt. So let's check out how transition plays out. So you can see how the transition plays out on the video. That's how transition works. And there are other features on this app that you can also check out. You can add a picture behind maybe at the back of the video. For example, let me use this picture of some football players. So you can also add text to the picture by coming to title as usual. Then you can also adjust it by this, and you can cut it. So you tap to edit. Let's, for example, let's use subscribe as the picture, as the text for it. So you have to change the color if you want it to be shown boldly on that. The of colors you can use, but it depends on your choice and what you want to use the image for. Then you can also add some effect to your music. Like for example, you can make your music fade in or fade out by this. Let's just fade out first. You can also adjust the duration of the seconds for it to come down. So for example, let's see. So you saw how that's played out, and that's played out well. So let's just check out any other feature I would like you to see from this app. Okay, let's see. So I think that's just the basics of PowerDirector, and you can make it smooth. And you can also you can also add some. You can make a text or an image to be shown throughout the video. So I'm going to try that out now by, let's check. Yeah, a lot of pictures I can use, but let's see what I can use. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me use subscribe again. Okay, so you can, this is not how I want it to play out, so you can just click on redo icon by clicking on this back icon. So if you want to add a text, you just come to, you want to add maybe an image or a text to flow around the video, you come to this square icon, then you click on it, then you click on maybe a text, video, photo or sticker. I want to use a photo, so let me use this like photo. You can see, so I have to drag it. I'll make sure it fills the video length I want it to be. So you can see it's kind of big, so I want to reshape it and resize it. So you can place it maybe below or above or anywhere you want it to be. And the app is actually a free app. It's offline, but you can also add on more features. And let's see how the video plays out now.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the
So that was awesome, and that was how you can make a video with PowerDirector. And if you watch this video to the end, I want to say a big thank you to you, and I would say that you please subscribe to this channel and leave a like and leave a comment. If you have any request for me on this channel, you can just leave it in the comment section. I will gladly do it and give you a credit. If you want to shout out to anyone, you can comment below. And thank you for this. Thank you for watching this channel, and remain blessed.